how to delete REDnote account. Let's get started with the video. First, start by opening the REDnote app on your device. Once you are logged in, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Now go to Settings. In the Settings menu, select Account Security. Here scroll down and tap on the account cancellation to begin the process. After tapping on account cancellation, you will be prompted to request a verification code. Hit the send code. REDnote will send a code to your registered phone number. Check your phone for the verification code and enter the code. Then click on next to move forward. A confirmation prompt will appear. Check the circle icon confirming that you understand and agree to delete your account and hit next. Now you will be asked to select a reason for deleting your REDnote account. Choose the option that best reflects your decision. Finally, hit confirm to complete the deletion process. Again, a confirmation message will appear. Hit confirm. Once confirmed, your REDnote account will be permanently deleted.